Hello everyone. So if you want to change your Google Gmail account name, here's how to do that. First of all, open any Google app or simply open up the google.com. I'll go with a Google application. Now tap on your account icon at the top right corner. Choose the desired account. So I'm gonna be changing this one. Now you're to tap on Google account. There we are. So here we gotta locate our personal info tab. So choose your personal info. Now locate your name. Easy as that. Press name. Now simply press on name and enter your new naming. For example, let it be something like this. When you are satisfied, you are to press save. Also, you can set up your nickname if you want to. So it's gonna be reflected across the Google accounts as well. Right? Let's press save. And basically that is it. Unluckily, the Gmail cannot be changed. So as soon as it's created, it's cannot be changed. The only way out here is to create a new Gmail account. So I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.